Bangathi Jordan ethi webe amanzi ayavaleke ahlukana phakathi abaleka aze ayofika emzimeni to Adam. That was a picture that look over soul from now to Makona. I heard you say, "See, God is going to see the soul in a white." Oh my God, my Lord, come let us. That must have been any sources from anywhere. Usua, lava la shehakona. Usua from Mata. In other words, Jesus Christ, what has already sown from the time ever permanent. So that is why each one is like Mama, our teaching is like higher, Zifundisa, Sikela, Kumus. Guess what? Mama, in the Christianity was a lot, it is not a religion, but Christianity is a kingdom. It is never a religion. So just when I feel the travel, I show my Amen. So into a Christianity, I Christianized. It is not Christianized, but it is kingdomized. So it is a kingdom thing, not a church thing. So now Satan we are indima enkulu ekhohlisena abantu ukuthi mabadlale isono bacaba ukuthi indaba yokukholwa it's all about religion. So it is not about religion but the kingdom. The kingdom owalahlekelwa umuntu in the Garden of Eden. Because in Genesis chapter 1 verse 26 to 28 uNkulunkulu wasenza ukuthi umfanekiso wethu asifuze bese ayamusa abuse kuphi phekwe